Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new blender I got from Walmart. So I will first start by showing you all the full size. This is the first one right here. Yeah. And this is the next one right here. The other side and the other side over there. Then I got this side right here. And I got the bottom part over there. So this blender, I'm gonna be opening it. This is brand new. Since I bought it, I haven't opened it. So I'm gonna be opening this blender for you guys to see. So they say it's ice crush blender, and they say it comes with like it's a 7 cups jar right here. 7 cups jar. So which means 7 cups can go into it. So I'm just gonna be opening this blender and see how it look like, guys. So I want us to do this together. Stay tuned. So let me open it. Yes, I guess this is the menu right here. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right here. So we're gonna be setting this blender up right here. Okay, guys. So this is the top right here. Yeah, this one here is the top for the blender. Yeah. So I'll be putting it aside. And as you can see right here, I hope you guys can see this. Okay. So when you're opening this, you gotta be really careful, guys. Yeah. So I'm just gonna hold it like this to open it. Yes, right here. This one you see here is the jar. I guess it's the jar. So I'm gonna be taking it from in here. Yes. And we're gonna be setting this all together, okay? So this is the jar right here. This is how it look like, and it says 7 cups. Yeah, this jar is 7 cup jar. So let me see the other one here. And then the next thing here is right here. This is how it look like. So we are going to be setting this up together, okay, guys? I don't know which one is this, but I don't think it's anything that much. So this is the box right here. The box is empty. So guys, watch me. Let's set this up together, okay, guys? Stay tuned. This is the right here. This is how it look like. Right here. So I'm just gonna be putting down this right here. It should have plug in here. What's going on? Yeah, I'm gonna be plugging it right here. I thought this should come over. So guys, I almost got a fry. I'm like, what? It should have plug. So this is the plug right here. You're gonna be putting this, like plugging this in the wall, in the socket, and then after putting this on, take this jar and set it in right here like this. Yes. And then if you want to use it, for me, wanna, like, if I'm not using my electronic stuff, especially the kitchen on, I unplug it because I have a baby in my home. Yeah, so if you want to use it, you just plug this on, and whatever you want to use in there, put it in and put this. This is the top right here. um yeah, guys, so this is how we set this up right here. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this blender right here. And I'm gonna be some of the things you can make in this blender. You can make smoothie. Okay, let me just read on this right here. Here they got crush, they got smoothie, they got ice crush. Yeah, that blender you can use it in 4 different ways. Okay, but I bought this thing for my kitchen. I'm gonna be using like making my smoothie and blending my pepper and other stuff. So this is the box right here. If you want to know where I got it from, I got it from Walmart. Yeah, and if you want to know the price, how much I pay for this, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna tell you the price. So guys, I really thought it was gonna be hard though, but it's very, very easy. Yeah, this is how it look like. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be going through the menu and see and give you guys update. So in the next video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use this blender. Thank you so much for watching with me, and come back for another video. Okay, love you so much.